Hi friends! How are we doing today? We have Finch Charming here, Moon Knight here, Narnodolv. You can tell me how you want me to pronounce your name. Another Charlie. Nice to have you here. Yeah, welcome to this random Saturday stream. Gonna work on my site a bit, make some progress. I was like tempted to say let's get the site finished, but yeah, that ain't gonna happen today. Let's be honest here. How are you all doing though? How is your day going? Nikolai, great, thank you. Yes, that'll be easier. I'm gonna call you Nikolai. Remind me if I forget. Yeah, how's your Saturday going? What are you working on? Let's switch over. Oh, I don't even have Webflow pulled up yet. Horribly unprepared for the stream, apparently. Let's get in there and then we'll switch over to full screen. Okay, here we go. As per usual, tell me if the levels need tweaking or anything like that. 2 days of vacation left. Nice. How long has the vacation been? Why are you so small? Let's expand you out. Okay. I'm excited to get rid of this old homepage. It just feels so old now. I do like the style, but I like the new one. I've been thinking of some things that I want to do to make this better. I want to add, well, it's in here, this little like drop bit. I feel like this is very much in my brand to have this sort of thing hanging out. It's all over my main website. Yeah, so I think I want to add that in here behind this episode card. And also obviously on the episodes page too. Something that I worked on off stream is adding the whole background fading thing woo, to this as well. I think it could do with some, potentially some change to that transition there. I don't know, but hey, this is what we got for now. That's all the episodes. And oh yeah, I got this working, the episode card thing. So I'm excited about that. It's doing mostly what I wanted it to do. Like, I'm fine with it for now. Like, it's looking all interactive and shit. I think we could probably do some better easing on the logo transition. But yeah, let me know what you think. Oh wow, you had 5 weeks in Bulgaria, Nikolai. That's a nice long holiday. I am jealous. Okay, Moon Knight, you want to work on your portfolio site? How about you work on it alongside me? And it can be like we're co-workers. Just like, I don't know, put this Twitch stream in the corner. We've got these chill vibes playing. Do some stuff. Set a goal for maybe the next hour, I guess we'll be streaming probably. About where you wanna get to. Charlie's been watching the Olympics. Ah, yes. Charming, yeah. Interactive and shit. How fun. I tried to make it do this button go darker on hover. It doesn't seem to be working as I intended, but that's okay. The goal is that you can click anywhere on the screen and go to the page. And this page is what I want to work on today, actually. Oh, wow. It is messed up, huh? What has happened to this page? I must have deleted all the header stuff, huh? Yeah, okay. Well, that's what we're going to get onto is building out. This here is I think the structure that I want to go with. So yeah, let's get started. Ooh, the date. I don't know if that's something that's in the CMS yet. I might need to add that. Yeah, I think you're right, Nikolai. I just I don't know. I was trying to make it go on hover and it wasn't working, and so that was frustrating. Make a zoom in ease. Ooh, on the faces. Interesting. Do you think that might be too much though? Like, we already have a lot going on there. Oh yeah, also it should be happening on the, not that homepage, the new homepage as well. Oh, this has the whole background fading thing happening. I need to make these grow a bit, I think is what I want to do, to have them link out to an episode page. Yeah. Where shall I start? I think I'm going to start with the episode page. This always happens. Like, I get overwhelmed with everything that I could be doing. Yeah, retro. That is a nice spin on old and terrible. I don't know. That retro can mean different things though, because like retro fonts and things, I don't know, are like back in, you know. Okay, so here is where things get complicated in terms of that, the symbol situation that I was trying to do last time we talked about. Some people had some good ideas for using the CMS to make the navigation a different color. But ultimately, I didn't really understand it well enough, and so I'm just going to do my own thing. And I'll just have to keep, god damn it, the navigation updated in 2 places. Kind of a shame, but whatevs. Can I don't know if I can like detach from symbol. So I might have to load it into the page and then get rid of it. Oh, okay, well, that wasn't what I meant to have happen. Oh, what's the audio player that I'm using? Right now we're just listening to this YouTube. Well, it was like a royalty-free, a copyright-free track someone suggested last time, I think it was, which I really liked. So this is what we're listening to. And why so many files on the desktop? I got no answer for you. That's just where all my screenshots go. And then I end up with folders like this that say sort this shit out. Sorry. I'm sure it's very annoying. Should we do this? Here we go, so that you don't have to look at it. Oh, hang on. Is that better? Oh, you meant for Webflow. Sorry, my bad. This is Simplecast. So this is just a Simplecast embed is what's happening there. Sorry for the anxiety induced by the desktop. Let's have a div called topnav. Ooh, I don't like that our link, that's not ideal, is expanding out to there. That's not what we want to have happen. I didn't notice that was happening in the main nav. Because that's going to mean that, like, well, yeah, anywhere here is clickable. That's not good. Okay, well, we don't want that to happen. I think I need to do a div within a div situation then. I'm gonna delete this. Nope. There we go. That wasn't so bad. Yeah, I need to set up that as well, Nikolai, so that it does this, but I don't know. I just like being able to go to desktop to find things. It's way too late to be drinking a coffee, but I felt like I needed one. Okay, so this is an image that I've done, so I think I might need to export a new image. What did I call this one? Ah. I like that if it's charming. Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing, like, I don't know, it literally doesn't bother me, this desktop. It just does not bother me at all. When it starts to bother me is like this, with the fact that things are overlapping, that I'm a little bit like, oh, I should probably get in there and do something about it. But yeah. Hopefully this should be the exact same size as that one. I think we're okay. I might have to add a link purple onto here. Oh yeah, don't get me started on the downloads folder. That one actually is a problem because, yeah. I lose stuff in there a lot of the time. What is my purple color? Is that gonna work? Yep. Okay. Nope. This music is very nice. Very chill. Will it work to do it on this as well? Now I need to go and make sure that these... I think I'll probably end up using this grey styling for... oh, well that one says current colour, so is that going to just do it automatically? No, okay. Probably going to end up using this grey with this type of nav for like the about page, probably the job board as well. The team at Palette are working on a way to embed the job board, so I'm looking forward to that, because then I won't be having to like send people off to a different site to be seeing the job board. By the way, if none of you have seen the job board yet, I mean, the link, this is why I need to get it set up on my website, because it's not super easy to just type in, but it's a job board filled with jobs for marketing design in particular. So yeah, if you're looking for that type of job, or if you're hiring for that type of job, ideally this is the place you would go and do it. Yeah, just giving a little shout out to myself there. Okay, let's make this now. We'll just call it top nav purple. Cool. While I'm thinking about the nav, let me just go back to the homepage and fix that issue where this... Remove that there. There we go. Okay, so now that should be fixed. Can I send the link in the chat? Good question. Can I... Sometimes the copy and paste works across my... I'm looking at the chat on my iPad. Boom! There we go. Hang on, wait. Did that work? Send. Cool. I need to install some more mods, don't I? There we go. Got him. There we go. There's a link to the job board. If you want to check it out. I could have just opened up the Twitch window that I had. Never mind. Okay. Let's check on the CMS for a second with the date situation. Because what date do I have in here? Like, I'm not sure if the... I might have to go to actually, like, the podcast on Apple or something. It is the best, Nikolai, when it works, but when it doesn't, it's very frustrating. The amount of times I like paste a link into my password field because I've tried to copy the password from one password on my phone and then it's not worked, you know. Yeah, there we go. So this episode came out on the 10th. I think I'm going to add a date field. Yeah, let's add a date field. Just so we can have that be correct. Because it doesn't... Does it have first published as an option in the Webflow dates? Last published? No. Okay. Yep, let's add that in then. Date. Let's put it way up the top here as well. And now I'll just go in and add all these. So the first episode was July 1st, 2020. Apparently I published on Wednesdays, huh? Second episode was July 8th. It's probably faster for me to just type this in. July 15th. Could probably guess that. We've got 22nd and 30th. I know at some point we missed one. Oh. Oh, see? 30th. Interesting. That one went out a day late. Why did I do that for? No idea. I just think it's important to have the date on these so that, because like teams change, companies change. And so it's better to like say when it was accurate, you know? What was that? Was that August 5th? Yeah. August 12th. Okay. Shoot, this episode is the tricky episode because there was 2 guests, which is something that might happen in this season as well, but I need to make some contingencies for that. 19th and 26th. This one was the episode that never went ahead. I'm actually gonna just... How can I just delete this? Because... I guess I could click archive. September 10th. Okay, dates are in. Let's build out this page. I want to get this structure in order. I could probably keep this, you know, but then just do a different row for... I'm gonna change this up slightly. Wait, how many? This a long page. Okay. Yeah, we want to add another row, please. I think there'll be at least 3. Cool. And I'm just going to move this out for now, actually. We have a heading. Shoot. This is when I'm gonna have to, Might try the span trick here. That someone was talking about last time, that I could go... And then can I don't understand how this is supposed to work. Like, no. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna do a HTML embed because I want to pull pieces from the from the CMS. Why is that being weird? Yeah, that, right? Yeah. What is your podcast app? Oh, interesting. You switch from Overcast to Apple Podcasts. I use Overcast. I've been using that for years and I really like it. I'm curious to know why you switched. Like, what was lacking for you in Overcast? Let's see just what happens there, but I think I want to be able to control the formatting of the date, so... Oh, that's not so bad. Oh, what? Nope, that's not what I meant to do. Where is episode number? There we go. That's fine. What was my styling on this though? Ah, I just had a lower opacity. And that was an H5? I'm confused. Oh, this page is definitely in that, it's got to get worse before it gets better, isn't it? We're going to center everything in this episode header. And then... Nice. What font size is that? What's going on here? That's clearly not 36 pixels. I'm confused. What am I looking at? Oh, is this one I have to do? I'm gonna have to do this one as a embed as well. Because I want to have with job title. Why does it fall off the top of the screen? Interesting. That makes sense. I can see why you did that. I'm still struggling to move from Spotify to Apple Music. I don't know why. I just can't get on with Apple Music. It looks too much like iTunes. Like, I don't know. There we go. I think this needs to be an H3. But then be italic. Yeah, I think I'm the same for me. Spotify is really starting to annoy me though with their focus on podcasts at the moment, because I'm like, I do not listen to Spotify for podcasts, and every time I open it there's like podcasts in my feed, and I kind of don't like that way that I've shifted into listening to playlists rather than albums because of Spotify, you know? I don't know, I just don't think that's the ideal way to listen to music. It's not really what the artist intended. Let's just move, let's move the whole video block into here. No, I'm gonna, there we go. Interesting, title's still going, huh? Oh, there we go. Okay, Nikolai, so you're telling us you're young. Fair enough, fair enough. Right, I think we need a bit more space here, and I think I want to put some padding at the sides, at least on... Okay, and then I had this stuff. Maybe we can just put content back in here and see how that goes. Okay, yep. I do like Spotify's playlists. They are really good, but I just like, sometimes I want to listen to albums and I find it that the Spotify isn't designed for you to find albums easily, you know? Whoop, go get your food, Finch Charming. We might be here when you're back, who knows? But happy shopping. Thanks for joining us. Right, and then I wanted to put the listening buttons underneath, did I? Okay. Was I anticipating here? I'm looking at my own design and trying to remember. I think I was anticipating just like taking you to the show on that platform. Yeah, that would make sense. Okay, so where were those buttons? I think they were on the episodes page. I'm just going to copy the whole thing, but then I will... Wow! You hadn't really heard full albums before you switched to Apple Music. That is fascinating. How old are you, Nikolai? Like, did you never, I guess, were CDs not a thing anymore? By the time you started listening to music? What? That's not what I wanted to copy. I'm confused. Why will it only copy that? I'm like doing Command C. Will it copy just one button? Okay, that's weird. I guess we'll copy it button at a time. CDs were a thing in 2011. Okay. Well, that makes sense then. Moon Knight. Well, let's see how we go. Let's see how far I get on the stream. Is it a live site? Like how easy will it be for me to access it? Okay. Oof. Okay. And then what are these? What does button outline subscribe do? We've got 8, 5, 10, and 10. Right, okay. So let's do 8, 5, 10, and 10. Oh, and it probably also put on a 20 pixel margin as well. Purple. Subscribe. I think I want to put these into a div also. Cool. Remind me of it a bit later and I can take a look for you. Turned 16 in June. Nice. Tell me what it's like being a 16-year-old these days. Do you want to know something that makes me feel very old? I am double your age. And I'm sure being 16 these days is very different to when I was 16, which was 16 years ago. Ooh, why has that done that? That's weird. Oh, I think I hear my cat trying to get in. One sec. I don't know how much of that you saw and heard. One of my cats, if she is not in the room with me, like when the door is closed, she will just try and get in. And so I basically like trap her in here with me when I'm streaming or in a meeting or something. And then the other one, every now and then wants to come in, I guess. Oh dear. Drinking at 16, that doesn't, I mean, I guess it depends what country you live in, but that doesn't sound like it's a great thing to be doing. Okay, why are these buttons... I swear they look even on the other page, or maybe they're not and I just didn't notice. Yeah, look, they're even here. Okay, so what did I do differently here? Huh? Ah. I also put a height on them. That makes sense. Let's go do that then. There we go. Now they're the same. Okay. So this bit, I don't know how to make this work, but I want to have, I guess it'll be a height. Let's try and make this work. This will be a fun interactive thing for this page. Oh yeah. We already went through the desktop mess situation. Okay, that's good. Nikolai, I like that you're taking the drinking like with a smart approach of drinking lots of water and looking out for yourself. Good. Right, let's put a fixed height on this. How much should I do here? Also, has anyone noticed that like when I'm like, okay, let's tackle something hard that I don't actually know how to do, I like give myself a clap to pump myself up. That's really funny. It's like I'm doing sports or something. Okay. And then we need a button, right? And I apparently have some button. Let's do outline. Yep. I want to put like an overlay on this too though. Wonder how I would do that. I might be needing to apply... Yeah, okay. I think I need to actually have this be a separate div called episode transcript. Let's just put this inside there. Because then I think if I make this relative, I should be able to put another div that episode transcript overlay. Let's just give it a full like background color for now so that we can see it. But what if we make it absolute and it fills the thing? Boom, that's what we want. Okay. So now we'll do a gradient on it instead. We want the gradient to go from this ghostly grey colour. Oops, the other way, the other end. Well, we want it to be 0% opacity at the top, don't we? To the grey full. Yep. Okay, and then we'll remove this guy. Hey! I did it! Okay, and then this will say expand full transcript. Is that too short? Like maybe we want to have it be 300? Yeah. No, I liked it shorter. Because like if I'm covering half of it up, then you know. Too tall. Okay, so now let's get this functioning. On mouse click or tap, we're going to... Ooh, I want to make this turn into like collapse transcript. Do I want to have this button up the top? I'm trying to think through the UX of this. I don't know. Let's just see how this goes to start with, huh? So what I want to have happen is that when you click on this, the height what was it? 250, I think it was? Yeah. And then it goes to 100%. Let's put an ease on it. I never know what ease to do. Let's just test this out, huh? That did not work as intended. Why is that not smooth? What have I done wrong? Oh, that should be initial state. Maybe that's what I did wrong. Nope, still not easing. Oh yeah, carrot is a good idea. Why I'm thinking it shouldn't be at the bottom is because, like, if you just click it and accidentally expand the transcript, then you're like, I don't know. It's a lot to read through. Oh, and clearly I need to make sure that removes as well. I can't... Why is it... Maybe it is easing it, it's just that it's so... No, it doesn't seem like it is. Maybe, okay, what if I made this like 4 seconds? Would I see it doing something then? No. What have I done wrong? I don't know. Maybe it's not a problem. But what I also want to have happen when this does happen is that this is at 100% opacity to start with, but then, oops, not that. We fade it. I think I also want to do a hide show on this too. And then we'll do a hide show. And I think I'm gonna, instead of this being an actual button, we're gonna make it a div and, like, you know, fake it being a button. I think button should have oh, it is that, okay. Because now, oops. That's what I'm doing. This is an accordion. Or do you mean use Webflow's accordion thing built in? That is an interesting idea. Oh, do they have a built-in accordion? I don't think they do. Also within this, we're gonna have and this text is gonna be hidden to start with. Oh shoot, I just lost my trigger, didn't I? Start the animation, expand transcript. Cool. And then on second click, oh wait, nope. So now I want to go in here and also do and I want it to be element. Yep. Let's just check that was working. Yep, now it says collapse. Sweet. Oh shoot, I should have made that a link block, shouldn't I? Wait on, can I just change the cursor thing? I don't know. Okay, yeah, we need to make this a link block. Wish you could just transform a div into a link block, you know? Now you've watched me build this thing 3 times. Okay. You can? How? Let's duplicate this. We'll rename it to collapse transcript. And basically we're just going to have all this stuff do the opposite. Where this is the... This stuff is no longer the initial state. And all this should come together. But probably the other way around. Okay, I think I might have just made a mess, but let's see what happened. Nice. Okay, cool. Well, I don't know if that... I don't think that turns it into a link block. I think that's how you add a link block. Oh, I see! Hey, Moon Knight coming through. Sweet. Sweet. I'm going to remember that. Okay, expanding transcript. Blah, blah, blah. We can read the whole thing, and now we can collapse the transcript. Collapse the transcript. Collapse it. Okay. Well, that part's not working then. Let's see what went wrong there, huh? Oh, that's why I didn't fucking click on it. Okay. What? Why is it doing that now? Oh, I think I know why. Is it because I used initial state for it, didn't I? And I shouldn't have done that. Maybe I can just get rid of these things altogether because it'll already be that? Yeah, that should make sense, right? Let's see. Expand. Collapse. Interesting. Why does it do it? I don't know. Yeah, that's weird. Right click. Oh, you mean on the div itself? Ah, there we go. I never click on things in here because I feel like I can never target the right one. It's interesting that they don't have that right click menu in the navigator, you know? Yes. Loving the reverse mentoring. Is it reverse mentoring or is it just mentoring? Okay. So something else I wanted to get in here that I never managed to get in the initial build is the sharing functionality. And I'm like, okay, do I feel like tackling this today? Probably should. Probably should. Just feels like it's a lot of work. You know what I mean? And I haven't fully thought through how I'll handle that sharing on mobile either. I don't know. Don't know if I can be bothered. But we have this. Ooh. Ah, that's why. Let's delete this whole thing. We haven't added the proper new footer yet. Boom, there we go. That's better. Don't you have that sharing in your blog? I do have some... actually, I don't know if it's sharing that's on my blog, if I remember. I really want to redesign this site too. This is actually just links to my stuff. And it's like a encouragement to tweet is what you get. But yeah, it is a sticky thing. So, yeah. I put this in here because I don't have comments on my blog. I didn't want that to be a thing that I had to monitor. And so, yeah, I just encourage people to tweet me instead. I think this could use a bit of breathing room. Okay, I feel pretty happy with that. What needs to happen next on this site? Ooh, okay. Well, this is a bit I didn't put in. Yeah, let's add that. Let's add some more episodes, huh? That would be good to have in there. So in here we will add a collection list. I generally like to just use the grid instead of doing that thing. What did I do on this page though? I don't remember. Did I do a grid? Yeah, I did. Cool. Actually, can I just copy this and then simply add a limit to it? Let's see if that'll work. Okay, and then can we... I don't want to do that on this one. Yep, let's add a limit. Oops, 3. And we will... Where is the randomize? Oh, there's a lot more. Cool. Nice, and then all that came with it. Sweet. We will call this, actually. More episodes. I can't wait to do a giant, like, class cleanup. That works. Okay, what next? Let's go back then and oh shoot, well I guess what I should do is actually start linking up. Episodes page, yep. About. And that's going to be a new page. Okay. Let's make that page now. And then this guy. Links right here. Wait on. Yeah, I guess that's what we want it to do, right? show link. I don't know why I'm so against using Spotify for listening to podcasts, because like overall it is a really nicely designed app. Like, you know, I've got no reason not to. I'm noticing something here as well that I need to change how it's set up, because I've got some weird link areas going on. Oh, okay. I have something really exciting. My YouTube channel. Check out this number, y'all. 90 away. 90 from 200,000, which is just, I feel like 200,000 has been this number that I've been waiting on for so long, and it just feels so close. It's really exciting. Like, I don't know. I know it doesn't, like, nothing changes. It doesn't technically mean anything, but I've been doing this for almost 8 years, and so it's nice. It's just nice to be finding people who are, you know, enjoying the videos enough to click subscribe. I believe yeah, it does have a URL. Good. Right, so here I need to take the padding piece off that and add it to here instead. Oh, dang it. Right, so I need it to be margin 20, don't I? There we go. That was my problem. Okay. Cool. Let's go and do the exact same thing to the main nav. Then the YouTube. Remove that padding there. Remove it there. Add it here. Cool. And I think all these were connected as well. No? Oh, I hadn't done that yet? Okay. Ugh. About. Job board. Subscribe. Ooh, the brand as well. This needs to link. Will that break when I don't know, when I make this the actual homepage? Not sure. Okay, let's add the background thingy on here. Let's see if I can remember how to do that at all. So this is already relative. That's good. Let's add a new div block. Let's call it episode card shadow. And we want to make it absolute and take up the whole thing and have a purple background, but we want to give it a Z index of -1, and then Ah, shoot. Did I put an overflow on this card? Yeah. Is it important that this card has overflow hidden? I'm gonna try this and see. Yeah. Okay. No. Well, the button just needs some rounded corners, doesn't it? Yeah, that's fine. Oh. Well, that's less fine, isn't it? We don't want that happening. Why is that happening? Okay, well, let's just try and get this in place for now. Oh, I don't think I want to do margin actually, do I? I think I want to do position. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Nope. It's just expanding. Oh, okay. Well, that's right. Let's do 10 there. Minus 10. Do I want to do pixels actually? Yeah, I think I want to do pixels. What is my favorite typeface of all time? I don't know. That is a really hard question. I really like Averter. This is the one that I always use on my own brand stuff. I think it's just a really nice sans serif. It's super geometric. Not so great for body text, but I like it for headings. We want to put a radius on this guy too. Now I'm seeing that 40 looks like too much. Let's try just 30. Okay, so aside from that being weird, let's dig in and see if we can figure that out, why it's doing that. Maybe if I had something inside this that everything sat within and that had a no overflow? I don't know. Nope, that didn't help. What about now? Yes. Yeah, that works. Cool. I feel like that's made this page just, I don't know, it's brought something better to it. Oh good, I did make these links. Link that to the episodes page. This should link to the job board page. Let's make these into links. I'm dreading going to do the mobile, like, you know, breakpoint styling for all this, because I've so far only been focused on this desktop. That's okay. let's find the links that I want to share. Doist. Okay, and then on hover, I want these to just sort of like grow slightly. Ooh, but is that... No, I think I can do that without it fucking up everything else. I wish they had some presets just to do like a quick little grow thing, you know, because like, yeah, that's not what I want. Pulse. Whoa, that's intense. Okay, whatever. We're gonna have to make our own animation. Yeah, see, it's gonna make the whole thing. That's not what I want it to do. Scale. There we go. Yeah. If I do this, then it shouldn't affect other things. Okay, cool. Too slow. Too big. Let's just have it do 1.1. Okay, and then duplicate this. Oops. Go back to 1. Why did I know? Oh, I did the thing again. Yes, when I'm editing a thing, I want it to have been selected, please. Thank you. Let's apply it to the class so that they all have it instantly. Oh, well, we don't want that to happen though. What did I do there wrong? Ah, okay, yep. Let's have it be... I need to put a class on that thing and then we can make it happen. We'll just call it that. Okay, let's try again. And we want this to affect the class. Only children. Yep. Same for here. The class, but just children. Yay, that's what I wanted. Cool. Nice. Let's do that offset shadow thing on the episodes page to this. I think I'll need to have... Another div within a div situation needs to happen here, but I can't figure it out. I don't know what's causing my image to be that size. Did I set a... Oh, right. Okay, I set a size to it. Interesting. So I don't want this to fill the whole column. So that says 293. Okay. Because I think if I make this relative, then do my thing of adding another div to it, let's just, yeah, see where we get to. I think I'm going to need to make my grid so that there's just, yeah, it only fills. Oh, no, hang on, it is doing what I wanted. That's weird. Why did I think it wouldn't? I don't know. I confuse. Where's the Z index? Well, it is working as I intended, so that is nice. Okay, I feel like I've put it off long enough. Let's end this stream by going through and, well, you know what? I think I'm just going to go ahead and make this the home page now. Yes. And then we will make this page into a draft. Okay, because now I can go in and connect the brand and things and make sure that that's all working. Yep, connect to home. Good, good, good. What about on the episodes page? How about the footer? Did I connect everything on the footer? Also, why didn't I put a home? I don't know. I guess it's normal to not have a home link on your footer. Oh, shoot. Why have I kept doing this to... I don't know why. We don't want a padding. We want margin for our links. Did I do it here? Apparently I didn't. I did it the correct way for these footer icons for some reason. Don't know why. Okay, yes, let's do that for you now, Moon Knight. I'm gonna try the... Let's go over into here, have some stream section. Oh, good point, Nikolai. Yep, I should add that in. I don't use Google Analytics or like an analytics software that adds cookies. So, yeah, for that reason. For not having to have like a cookie banner. But yes, I need to have something in it. It's for the subscription. There's a newsletter thing on it. Okay, give us some context for this site, Moon Knight, before we get into it. Oh, wait, I'll go back to my thing into while you give some context. But yeah, tell me what feedback you're looking for and what the purpose of the site is so that I can judge it from that point of view, if that makes sense. While I connect up these things. I can't decide if I want to put a... Do I want to put a contact form on this page? Probably. Hey, that wasn't what I wanted to copy. Why does it feel like my copying and pasting is not working at times? Is it because that was in the way? Okay, there it is. That was weird. Which tab am I in? That's correct, and that's correct. Cool. Good, good, good. Do that and that, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. That's helpful to know. So it's about getting sponsors, essentially. Let's take a look. I would say right off the bat, it's lacking a headline of something to catch your eye. Like, I'm looking at the top part of my screen, right? And I don't see any text for me to hook onto. So I feel like it could benefit from having something. Hopefully you can see my mouse. Having something here that like communicates what the team is about. I'm like, it's a racing team. Racing what? I don't know. Is PCC stand for something that I'm supposed to recognize? Maybe your target audience would recognize it. Yeah. And obviously I can't judge the content because I do not speak the language that it is in. Is it Dutch? Yeah. Okay, now we get to a car. I'm like, okay, so it's like, is it karting? This is nice, this whole glass effect thing you got going on there. So it's hard for me to judge a site without understanding the content because that's what design is designing content. So I'll just like point out some little visual things to you. Like I'm noticing this alignment here. There's this gap between the edge of this screen and the edge of this photo. I would take a look at that. Oh, good idea. Just translate to English. Why didn't I think of doing that? I'll do that. Okay, so now we'll have a slightly better idea. Yeah, do you see what I'm saying here? That this green block should be in line with this photo or vice versa. And also you've got, looks like different corner radii, but maybe that's just my eyes playing a trick on me. But it looks like this is more rounded than this one and that this has nothing at all. Neither does this photo here. So I would pick what you want to go with there and be developing a system for it. PCC is your school, right? Okay, well in that case for sure then, I mean from this photo you don't know it's cars, you just know it's racing of some sort, right? Which could mean like a running race, a boat race, I don't know, there's lots of things you can race. So yeah, it looks like it's karting if I'm not mistaken. I would put that into a headline. What do we got here? This shadow is feeling a bit harsh. I would lower the opacity on the shadow. And it's also kind of hard to even see the people. Like I would suggest maybe zooming in on their faces a little bit more. And now we're having some different styles here. Here we had just like a flat image. Here we're introducing a shadow behind an element. Like I like that you put the rounded corners on here though, because that is, you know, showing together. Now we have these hard edges and a border. So that's like another different style. So yeah, watch out for that. And another thing, I would add space in here. Like you want to, I'm assuming this is the commercial team, right? So you want to group this information together. So I would add space in here and space in here, probably equal to the amount you have here, just so that it's clear how that information is grouped. Yeah. This heading could be grouped with this text. I think that would work better. And give this some more padding as well, so that the line length isn't so long. This is also very hard to read. I would suggest making this text white on this background. Yeah. But yeah, if you've built this yourself for your school, I think that's fantastic, and it's cool that you get to do that. All right, Nikolai, we'll do yours as well. This is accidentally turning into a website review stream. Okay. I don't know what to click here, quite honestly, to know what to do about the cookies. No offense, I just like to reject cookies. Cool. So I like the, this is a super unique like grid look you have going on. And I like the hover on, that it goes color. This is interesting. I feel like the styling of this bottom part doesn't tie in with the rest. Like it almost looks like it was an error, the fact that this bit here is white. I don't know, maybe you could follow the styling of your grid, and if you wanted this to be separate, have it be black but with a white border around it. I don't know. But yeah, overall, this is pretty slick looking. What is the purpose of this site? Is it just to advertise her work? Because it seems to be doing that pretty well. It's like a portfolio site, right? Yeah, this is what I was talking about, like copying the style that you had going there for this bit here too. Could be a good idea. Nice work. Yeah, there's some, I mean, I don't know what these links say, but there's some weird alignment, like what's this doing hanging out over here by itself? But obviously you can see now I'm getting like really picky. Oh, that's interesting. I thought this was all work pieces, but it's not. Eh. That's cool to present it in that way though. Yeah, of course, Moon Knight. I hope it was useful. It's just, I don't know, like those little details and things that I was pointing out is stuff that you build your design eye for that over time. And so like I look at it and it instantly stands out, you know, as a piece of feedback to give. But overall, like I said, like you've done a great job building it. Yeah, good luck getting all the sponsors. Ah, right. Got you, Nikolai. Yep. Well, yeah. That's cool. This is a Webflow site too. Nice work. I think this is a good use of a grid to make a super interesting looking front page. Okay, I'm gonna quickly. How long do I want to spend? I'm gonna hang around for maybe like 15 more minutes and just see how I go with this next level of page. This is what my nav I just decided is going to do on mobile. Why not? And this here definitely needs to stack. Oops. Wait a second. I only wanted to have one column. Ah! Do you mean you've only been doing websites for 2 months, or just that website for 2 months? If it's the first, it's very impressive, quite honestly. I think I want to give this card like a max width, probably. It's fine. Yeah, I need to make this. Okay, maybe I do want to bring that grid back in, but instead, oops. let's have this span. Why is it being so weird at the moment? Span 3 columns, and then this. Yeah, there we go. That's better. That's awesome. Because you said, wait, how old did you say you were again? I like that, I don't know, just like this stuff, when I was in school, this stuff didn't exist. You couldn't be building, I mean, you could build websites, but you had to know how to code them from scratch, and I don't know. I wasn't doing that sort of thing when I was in school. It's a great use of your time. That's awesome. Well done. You all are coming for my job, aren't you? Ooh, okay. What shall I do about this at this breakpoint? I think I want to make these just slightly smaller so that they can... sit together. And we'll reduce the... There we go. That'll do. And here we'll put the job board. We will have... Oh, did we reach the end of that? We did. Nice. That's okay. Like, it's... So Adobe is a scam. To be a web designer, you don't have to know how to build the website. It does help, especially if you're on a freelance, because mostly people are going to want to, you know, hire some one person to do all the things. But yeah, I'm just saying that that is a thing. Can't work out what is causing all this space in here. Oh. Right. Well, that would do it, wouldn't it? I wish in Webflow you could put different classes on things based on the screen size, but sadly it does not work that way. Okay, and here we just need to do a... It's just always so nice when things, or like, I don't know, work nicely without you having to do a whole lot to them. Right, I never like to use icon. I like to have a thing that says menu. And nice. Yep, Figma being free is a very good thing indeed. I think I want to put a little like carrot thing on the menu. And to do that, I'll like open up my site and go through it. Let's just do the rough looking at this episodes page. Oof, okay, well, that's interesting. I don't want you to fill up the whole of that grid. How do I make you not do that? Maybe I do have to do the div within a div thing I was thinking of. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Little div within a div. Except here I need to... Well, should we just put a margin on... Ooh, it'd be nice if these came out of this div block here, wouldn't it? I might just do like a sneaky hide show. Actually, maybe we can make this work. Where these are in the second column. Ah, no, that's not going to work, is it? Oh, unless I make this... Yeah, there we go, there we go. Yeah, you can be in row 2. But then we'll make this one span 2 rows. Boom. Okay. That works. If I shrink the space between rows even, that's better. So then here we can make this do that. Perfect. Okay, and then my episode list, we want to drop a column at this size, I'm guessing. Yep. Nice. Oof, we've got some not great stuff happening there. I think this is all just going to stack now from this point. Oh. Why are you still pretending there's another column? Oh, right. Yes, and we want this to be full width. Actually, I want this guy to be, yeah, row 1. This one too. There we go. I'll keep that 0 because I want to have, I'll just do it on this directly, I think. I need these buttons to do something nicer than what they're doing right now. Hi, Furtives. Furtive Smosh. You have joined us right at the end, I'm afraid to say. We're getting ready to wrap up in a sec. I'm just sort of, yeah, winding down some things. Starting to figure out mobile. Yeah, that would be nice, wouldn't it, Moon Knight? I'm glad they added the like wider breakpoint, at least. Yeah, I'm really pleased with how this site is coming along. I wonder, I don't know if I'm going to feel like working on it tomorrow, but I might do because I feel like it's getting close, you know, and that it could be finished soon. I think I need to make, let me just make it right now so I don't forget. I think I want to make a contact page. That will be linked from the footer. I'll go add that in. And also like link to it from the about page. Yeah. I think that will be necessary. Yeah, we're getting close. This is exciting. I need to figure out, like, actually look at this, how this background fading thing is working on mobile. But yeah, we'll keep it for now. It'll be fine. Okay. Yeah, maybe next time you can join earlier. But thanks for coming to say hello at the end anyway. I appreciate it. Let's wrap up now. I'm going to go back to my full cam view. Oh, there's been a cat join me over here while we've been recording, and there's another one. Let me see if I can get it to go around enough. Hanging out over there on the windowsill. Thanks for joining me, people. I really appreciate you hanging out. Nice to have, like, I don't know. Yeah. Nikolai and Moon Knight, the fact that you are teenagers and building websites, designing things is super inspiring to me. So, yeah. Keep it up, you two, because you're doing great and you have bright futures ahead of you. Quick question for ending. How do you work with bigger screens? Because I've looked at mine, but at yours... I don't know what you mean. I'm sorry. Like, you mean maybe you just need to look at your site on a bigger screen? Might be what needs to happen. Yeah, I think you can also just try, like, in Chrome or something, zooming out, and you'd see what happens to your site. Like, you can fake a bigger screen that way. Anyway. Yes, there we go. Like Carlos said. Thanks for joining. Have a good weekend, everybody, and I will see you back here again for the next stream. Appreciate you hanging out. Thanks. Bye.